Test representing a new moon when a, quote, 2,160-mile spherical moon mass, unquote, is directly aligned between the Sun and the Earth, as stated by NASA and mainstream science. NASA and mainstream science states, a new moon occurs when the Sun and Moon are aligned with the Sun and Earth on opposite sides of the Moon, as shown in this graphic. NASA and mainstream science states the Moon is a spherical mass, 2,160 miles in diameter. In this graphic, we observe the Moon is perfectly aligned between the Sun and Earth, and the Sun's parallel light rays light up the side or surface of the Moon facing the Sun. However, the graphic also shows the Sun's parallel light rays lighting up the entire side or surface of the Earth facing the Sun. If the Moon is a 2,160-mile spherical mass, and the Moon is perfectly aligned between the Sun and the Earth, then during a new moon, the Moon should cast a 2,160-mile diameter full shadow or, quote, eclipse on the Earth. This 2,160-mile diameter full shadow or, quote, eclipse should be shown on the graphic. Also, the 2,160-mile diameter full shadow or eclipse should be experienced and observed on Earth during every new moon, but we never do. This video presentation will address this concern by performing a test. The test will be set up to represent the same alignment of the Sun, Moon, and Earth during a new moon, as described by NASA and mainstream science. First, the size of the Moon and Earth need to be to scale with each other. The 2.4-inch diameter foam ball represents a 2,160-mile spherical moon mass, which is to scale with the Earth's map. This shows again the 2.4-inch diameter foam ball represents a 2,160-mile spherical moon mass, which is to scale with the Earth's map. Here is the setup of the test in my garage. A 5,000 lumen flashlight representing the Sun is hanging from the ceiling. The 2.4-inch diameter foam ball representing a, quote, 2,160-mile spherical moon mass is hanging from a clear fish line. The Earth map is on the garage floor directly below the 2.4-inch diameter foam ball, which represents a, quote, 2,160-mile spherical moon mass, and we notice a moon shadow is seen. Again, the 2.4-inch diameter foam ball representing a 2,160-mile spherical moon mass is to scale with the Earth map. Next, we will watch a video taken with my iPhone to determine what we observe. We see the flashlight on the ceiling representing the Sun. We observe the side of the 2.4-inch diameter foam ball facing the flashlight is fully lit. Most importantly, we observe the 2.4-inch diameter foam ball is fully blocking the light from reaching the Earth. A full shadow or, quote, eclipse of 2.4 inches in diameter is on the Earth, which represents a 2,160-mile diameter of full shadow or, quote, eclipse. Based on the observations of this test, NASA's and mainstream science's graphic depiction of a new moon is a lie. If the moon is a 2,160-mile diameter spherical mass, then the Earth should experience a 2,160-mile diameter of full shadow or, quote, eclipse every new moon for a duration of at least 24 hours, but we never do. New moons occur on average 12 times a year, yet, quote, solar eclipses only occur on average 2 times a year. We have proven by Almighty Yahweh's scriptures and repeatable observations of the moon's lunar cycle, the moon is a light/luminaire, which during a new moon has no light, is invisible, and cannot physically block the Sun or the Sun's light.